The feeling of walking into a house that you built is special. I will just sit in our living room or in our bed and I'll look up and I'll think about every single piece that we put together as a family. I would not have been able to build my house by myself. We really needed a kit, and immediately when we contacted Shelter Kit, all the questions we had were answered. We got a ton of feedback. This is the house that we wanted to build. This is very much our house.
All right, here we go. House is coming in.
When they say that anybody that can swing a hammer, regardless of your building history, can build a house, and that's 100% true, only if you're working with such a great company.
It's coming together. We are making progress.
I really felt like I had agency to make decisions to kind of drive the ship. We were shown just so much respect and care throughout the process. We kind of felt part of the family.
And just wanted to thank you guys for all your help and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I was given encouragement and I was given respect as kind of the leader of this project. And there were some hard days, but we knew that we had a great support team that would bend over backward, and they did many times.
I did it. I did it.
I mean, we did it. We worked really hard and we did it. We had our third child here in the house that I built. And the process was made special and it was made meaningful. So I can't say enough good things about Shelter Kit and what it meant to our experience in building a home